DWR hosts California Water Institutes every year for educators, and this is a chance for teachers and other educators to come together and learn about the State Water Project and about their own local ecosystem connections to the State Water Project and to how they're a part of water management in California.
There is absolutely no substitute for real-life, hands-on learning and the emotional impacts that one has when they're on the water, when they see the wildlife, when they see the salmon in their annual struggle to get upstream, watching the incredible wildlife and nature that we get to see on the river. There's no trading that for anything. You can't get that in a book.
I think the Water Institute brings scientists, engineers, water professionals, biologists together, and it's important for teachers to have an opportunity to work with the experts, learn from them, and then they have information they can take back to the classroom.
It's invaluable for our future. These students are our future, and so we need to tell them about it. We need to get them out there and not just learning about it in the classroom. We need them outside.
So in 2025, there were 3 water institutes that were sponsored by DWR, and that reached about 90 educators in total, which translates to over 6,000 students through the state of California that are getting exposed to this curriculum and learning about water.
My students aren't old enough to do the float trips, so we don't get to see them on the reds. So my hope is to come up with a lesson that simulates the spawning of the salmon.
I'm glad teachers come to this. I think it's really, 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 really important. I did not really know anything about the natural environment when I was in school. I didn't really understand it. I find this kind of program is super helpful to get the educators engaged in it, to understand it so they can pass it on and get kids excited about it. Because it's a viable career. You can do this.
I really loved getting to experience the same curiosity and enthusiasm that my students get to experience when they go on a field trip. And then I get to go back to my class and I'm able to more accurately and confidently answer their questions and encourage their curiosity.
This institute is such a gift. It's allowing me to be present in a field experience and then transfer that inspiration, knowledge, curiosity to my students with all the resources that I've gained from the experts in the field. So wanting to give that to my students, that inspiration I've been able to feel is more transferable, I feel like, as a teacher when I get to experience it firsthand.